Hello and welcome back to Mocha Dishes. Today we are going to be making cheesy potato chips.
This looks good, guys. I'm gonna take one.
First, you're going to want to start off by peeling and chopping 6 large potatoes. You're then going to want to let it sit in a pot of water at medium heat. Once you've let the potatoes cook, you're going to want to drain all the water out of them. Then add them to a separate bowl. And 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Maggi seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of my own personal seasoning. For more information about that, check the description box. And just mash it all together. And 1 cup of cornstarch. And a handful of chopped parsley. And 500 pounds of mozzarella cheese that is grated. I just then mix it with my hands. I then add it to a piping bag. And then I distribute it evenly on a pan lined with parchment paper. I then put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Another way to make it is to fry it. Once the oil is ready, I then pipe them in. Once they've become a golden brown color, I then just take them out. Once the ones we've put in the oven are ready, we just take them out. Now, here are the 2 types. I personally prefer the fried potato chips, but they're both really good. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.